Hello, it's Mohammed here from A3 Link. Yesterday, I had a great opportunity to talk to Kylie Prince from digital transformation and recruitment, and I learned a lot from her. In this short video, I will explain my point of view about IT and IM um, overview um, and the digital transformation as I see. Let me share with you the overview visual I created to show the IT and IM today. The digital transformation is must today, is not a choice, because the landscape now changed completely that because the people attached a lot to their cell phone, their different technology. So it is a part of any business today that they have or they must actually start thinking about the digital transformation. And the view about it in a small or big company, it doesn't matter. It's going through these parts. So first of all, there is always an IT foundation, which is the hardware itself, like the computers, the mobiles, the servers, the machinery, if you're in a hospital or manufacturer. All these IT devices generated data, either the input through people, through monitoring. So this data, there is always software, either extract this data from the machine or from the computer or from the IT devices, or the software received from it automatically. So we generate a decent amount of data. After that, we get to the another software, which is called the business intelligence software, which is a software takes this data and transform this data to information so the end user can use it. So you can have now out of the business intelligence software or softwares, can be one or more, ideally should be one, but it can be more than one, and that create the regular and required reports depending on the business and depending on the end user, as you see above. Okay. The whole journey inside the heart of the IT and IM, the information technology and the information management system, has two parts mainly. Data engineering, that the people with the kind of skills engineering the data, and the other part is the data science. The people handle the data in a certain way and transform it into information. So it's two separate data area, two areas of expertise. It will be so hard to find someone deeply understand both of them. So most of the people either expertise in one of them and understand how the other part working. But to have someone to do both, from my experience, I haven't found one in my life. Now, in each area here, in the down one, which is the IT foundation, most of the time it's kind of IT support. Most of the company rely in external support with just internal IT coordinator. So someone actually internally communicate with the companies, different companies, to support the machinery or the computers or any IT device. The second part, which has a software and programming, that required a software specialist. So someone understands the IT very well, but it's more expertise into the database and data engineering. The third part here, which is the big one, which is, most of the time I found lack of understanding to that part is the issue. is the IM specialist, the information management specialist, because the person in this position must have a multi skills, like, so he must understand the business landscape, or has the ability to go to any business and start understanding the business and how it works, other departments, how they communicate. The end user or users needs, um, process mapping, especially have a certain techniques to map a process. Of course, data analysis, so you can analyze the data and see trends and understand how is the data actually working. And finally, which is so important and very few in my life I saw master it, is the data design. That how you can transform a data. Yes, you can get a report, but how to use a best practice to present the data